AGRO applies its tried and trusted sealing technology, the result of over 65 years of experience in the development of cable glands, in its revolutionary new cable entry solutions for multiple cables. The innovative product lines are characterized by the high level of sealing they offer, their great robustness, their ease of installation and their ability to resist high pull-out forces, thanks to their well-proven sealing inserts. Integrated into cable harnesses, AGRO multi-cable entries can be cost-effectively pre-assembled and efficiently installed where required, supporting just-in-time operations. In considering and minimizing total long-term costs, you can always depend on the efficient installation, the maintenance friendliness and the durability of the new AGRO cable entry solutions. The MCE multi-cable entries offer excellent sealing performance, ease of use thanks to the flexibility they offer with respect to cable diameter and process reliability. In terms of installation, AGRO multi-cable entries are notable for their ability to accommodate multiple cables in a small space, for the fact that all installation materials are supplied and various flat gaskets are provided to suit different surface finishes, and for the simple tightening of screws to the stop. With respect to maintenance, a key advantage is the ability to easily replace sealing elements from the front. Only the front plate must be removed, while the system otherwise remains installed. In addition to the benefits of the standard MCE multi-cable entry, the EMC version also offers a strong, reliable shield grip thanks to its spring-type contact system, as well as a low transfer impedance and full installation control with regard to the shield connection. The contact springs can be easily replaced and the shield grip can be visually checked from the rear at any time. A key feature of the flange gland is its ability to be screwed in place from the front, which facilitates installation even where space is very limited. This also prevents the cables from twisting. Installation is quick and easy, using a manual or cordless ratchet, with no awkward open-end wrenches required. Customer-specific requirements in relation to sealing elements can be satisfied for any combination of cables. AGRO Progress multiple cable glands with splittable sealing inserts are ideal for applications where a small number of cables should pass through a wall in a compact unit. The splittable sealing inserts allow pre-assembled cables to be inserted from the side. The adapter plate enables cables to be easily routed into an enclosure, protecting against moisture, dust and vibrations. Cable and conduit glands, configured and assembled in accordance with your specifications and working in combination with the adapter plate, ensure excellent sealing performance. Cable harnesses can be cost-effectively pre-assembled and efficiently installed. Thanks to their very robust metal housings, AGRO multi-cable entries offer high impact resistance and excellent temperature and aging resistance.